Pope Francis proclaimed the year of Saint Joseph with the apostolic letter Patris Corde. This is the 158th anniversary of declaration of Saint Joseph as a patron of the Universal Church. It is a golden chance to reflect and recall on the great saint, Saint Joseph. In this occasion, I would like to share a few words about Saint Joseph. He was a real model for all, especially to be priests and religious. Although he was chosen to be the foster father of Jesus, he lived a most humble life as a carpenter. He was a man of integrity, a perfect gentleman, very hardworking, compassionate to his neighbors and the needy, and protector of Jesus and Mary. When Joseph was engaged to Mary, before they married, he discovered that she was bearing a child. He decided to divorce her secretly since he was a righteous man, as he knew the consequence and the custom in those days she will be stoned to death. His compassionate heart for this village girl did not allow that to happen. Angel Gabriel did not give him any direct message. He got the messages only through the dreams. Putting his trust in the Lord, he accepted her. He took all the pain to go to Bethlehem and from there to Egypt with the newborn baby and Mary. One cannot imagine the agony Saint Joseph went through all this time. He was in great difficulty when they were in the foreign land for food, shelter, etc. But he never complained. He was always silent, surrendered to the will of God. He was generous and compassionate man. In Gospel, we never hear Joseph talking, but God loved him and gave him a great position so that all of us can intercede for his help. Let this year may become a blessing to each one of us to know more and more about the hidden life of Saint Joseph and walk through his footprints as Jesus walked holding his hand. Thank you.